How to make money online. I believe that hardly anyone who is getting started with some kind of business, doesn't matter what it is, knows what really works. So people who are searching and looking for step-by-step guides, push this button, do this, say that, call this person, they actually don't know what business really is. The only way how you will figure out what works for you is that you start, you do mistakes, you correct them, then you reach success, and then you know what really works. So even if you are following some gurus on YouTube or Facebook, whatever they say, whatever they have achieved, it's their success, it's not yours. And the way how what they are selling to you is, in my opinion, the way which worked for them. There are many good speakers and trainers train people in general terms. They are not specific that much, and I believe that's right. And especially when those people, teaching you how you find the right way for you. That's where I think they are right, because they can give you some suggestions. You can try this option, try that. If it doesn't work, move forward, find the way which works the best for you. But you will not find it if you don't start. So if you are sitting and waiting that somebody somehow somewhere got the key, and maybe you are even ready to invest $1,000, $5,000, $10,000 to find the way how to do it, then you are probably misled, and I don't believe that this is the way how it works. You have to get started, you have to go through the steps, you have to learn, you have to do the mistakes and correct them, and then consistently working on it every single day. Then you will figure out how it works. Then you can sell your courses, but I believe that the way how it worked for you is the way how it worked for you only. It could help some people, but don't get so confused that somebody got the key to your success. Your success is inside you, and if you never try, if you never start, you will never find it. Hope it helps. See you next time.